Well, hi, this is Chase Swift, and in this video, I'm really targeting a playlist of videos, several videos on this keyword. What kind of website should I make for affiliate marketing? So most likely you just did that search, maybe on Google, maybe on YouTube, and you found my video. So I appreciate that. Now, this is the first video of many that I will do because the answer to what kind of website should I make for affiliate marketing, that's the keyword phrase, that has many answers. And rather than do a 3-hour video, which would be too long, I'm going to break it up into sections so you can pick and choose, find maybe videos that you will appreciate more, and you'll see those in a playlist. The playlist will be accessible in the link down below in the description of this video. Now, this is the first one, okay? Now, I'm going to switch over as I talk about what affiliate links to use and how to start and all that. And in this video, I'm going to really concentrate on simplicity. This is my affiliate back office on a website called Samcart, okay? Comes free with the system I use, okay? What this does for simplicity is give you a host of affiliate websites that you can use, okay, that you can access and basically, as I'm about to show, copy. And what I need to do is open it in a new incognito window because of cookies, okay? I'm going to paste in this affiliate website, and this is mine. And the cool thing is, and I did something, let's redo that. I need to copy this replay here and do a new incognito window and paste that in. Here we go. So let me point out this link is a call where you can listen to a recording, and it's also an affiliate link. Now, what's nice about this is a free call, and you can listen to this call. So this is going to be one of the links that I put in my description, so you can click on that and learn on it. What this does is help you learn and grow your mindset. Now, your mindset really has a lot to do with your success, okay? So as you can see, these mastermind thoughts and what we're reading and what we're looking and studying, these are books by Napoleon Hill, and he was the author of the Grow Rich, or the Think and Grow Rich book, which is highly popular and very successful and very important to study, okay? He also wrote the 16 Laws of Success, okay? So my encouragement as we delve into this affiliate marketing and affiliate website, what you should have, please know that you can offer something free to somebody. You can offer something valuable, this link. And again, as I close this is just a part of this series of affiliate links, and this is already done for me. So when you're looking at really, what kind of website should I make for affiliate marketing, how about something that's done for you? Really nice. Again, I'm just going to copy this, open it up in an incognito window so it doesn't remember cookies, pasted it in, and voila, I have the link. Now, I'm going to point out there are a lot of other links. There are different options and different websites and different things that will appeal to different people, right? So we have, as another option, we have an all-in-one called an all-in-one $25 business, okay? This is the same, kind of the same project, same opportunity, but a different way to express it, okay? So I'm going to put it in an incognito window, paste it in, and this is a very different look. It's professionally done. So this is the value of a professionally done affiliate website. You don't have to do this. It's done for you. That's one of the valuable things that you're going to have access to with this system. Now, I'm going to do a lot more videos on this topic. The community of heart-centered, principle-centered, and highly skilled entrepreneurs like you or like me with visions to have massive positive impact on the world, okay? That's my focus. And you'll see that in the numerous videos that I'm about to do in the playlist below. But if you don't have to do this, create this website, that's a plus, and it makes you money. By the way, as I come down, this project pays you 80% commissions. I'll zoom in on that. So as you market this and help others, you can make 80% commissions. What does that mean? One of the subscriptions is a $25 funnel builder or a website builder. You make $20 on that sale, okay? So that's an 80% commission. And right now, by the way, this system called the Home Business Academy has generated in the monthly $3 million. Actually, sorry, this is paid commissions over the lifetime. So it's paid over $3 million, okay? Down further, we may have more of an access monthly what's going on. It's actually about $300,000 in affiliate commissions, or actually sales, per month, okay? So I'm not sure if that I'm going to run into that screenshot. I'm just showing you a very complex, this would take you weeks, months, I don't know, maybe lots of days, but you don't have to do that. So one of my focuses is helping you understand that, you know, the websites for affiliate marketing, it's nice to have something done for you that's professionally done, has all the value and the bullet points and the benefits, all of that done for you. And this is the second one I've shown. Really what I'm going to do is highlight the free option, because this offers value. You can offer this to anybody and they can listen to a call. And today the call was on tax planning basics, okay? It's based in the US. It's really focused on more in the US, but it's a worldwide topic as well, okay? You can hit play and watch this or listen to this. It's an audio call. And there are people that come to this call day in, day out, because we help other affiliates with positive, educational, and thoughtful help on building their business too, okay? So I'm going to keep this rather short, but there's a lot more. And by the way, I'm just going to show this one more. I'll put this in my description as well. But like frequently asked questions about the Home Business Academy. And this is really, really good because you can just click and it'll take you right down to the video. This is one of the co-founders. Listen to the video. They're short and sweet, to the point. And then as you want to get started, you can click the button there. I would hope that you really study this and look for other videos, because I want you to be not really motivated on one video, but I want you to see numerous videos. This is a good one. Will I get help if I join? And so as you go through all of these questions, this is going to help you make an educated decision, okay? So that's it for today. Short and sweet. It's basically the beginning of my series of videos. Hopefully for those that are really searching, my focus has been on what kind of website should I make for affiliate marketing. Now, let me end with the value of YouTube. YouTube is a powerful, powerful system, and I have pretty well mastered it. And what I'm going to show you now is how you can use YouTube videos to really rank your videos and get your message out. Now, I have 15,000 subscribers and growing. As you see, in the last 28 days, this is pretty impressive. 53 new subscribers in the last 28 days. As I go to my analytics, I can teach you all this, and those that want to join with me, absolutely, you're going to get all this help. But look at the number of views, almost 27,000 views in 28 days. As I zoom in here, it says my channel usually gets between 28,000 and 34,000 views in 28 days. Pretty amazing. So here's the cool thing. When you have a website, you're going to need to know how to get traffic. You're going to need to know how to get your message out. And primarily, one of the better ways is YouTube, okay? Yes, I make income on my videos as well. But really what you want to do, and this is the graphic that's most important, I'll teach you, in addition to having a website, how to get views to your videos. This is views in the last 48 hours. 2,000 views. 2,000 people in the last 48 hours. So that's about 1,000 people per day. It's pretty awesome. So I want to offer additional value, than more than just, yeah, here's affiliate links that you can use and this and that. I want to offer value of teaching you how to. I'm doing a screen share video, by the way, aren't I? Okay, so you don't always have to show your face, although that's fine too. but I can show you how to master YouTube. That's one of the offers. So look forward to more videos in this playlist series. You'll find the playlist down below in the description of this video. You'll also see it in the pinned comment, which is accessible on mobile if you're watching this on mobile. And look forward to more videos, because I am really taking this to a very serious level and commitment of how to help you create a website, create an affiliate website that's done for you, and you make commissions, 80% commissions, which is almost unheard of. So thanks for coming to this video. Give me a like and subscribe, and you can take the description down below and click the link that will be there or in the pinned comment, and be able to return to my playlist and watch the videos as I focus in on this over the next 10, 12, 14 days or more. We'll see how it goes. Thanks again. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.